I'm Mickey Walker with XPOWER Manufacturer, and I want to introduce you to the Axial fan. The Axial fan is a professional grade drying tool similar to the uses are similar to that of the centrifugal air mover, but the Axial fan has a few features and benefits that far exceed that early style air mover. The Axial fan is capable of moving large amounts of air, so we get a greater volume of air and we can focus that airflow wherever we need it to go. For example, if I take this Axial fan, which as you can see is mounted on a stand, which by the way is standard equipment, I can turn this fan so that it's drawing air from up on top and moving the air around. The benefit of that is I can move air 360 degrees over a large area all at the same time by using one air mover. This Axial fan is, as you can see, it's on a stand. It gives me 360 degrees of mobility. As far as focusing that airflow, I can aim the airflow if the water or the water damage or the spot I'm trying to dry is up in a corner. I can do that and move air over 60 feet. So anywhere I need that airflow, that focused airflow, I can obtain with this Axial fan. This one comes with 4 speeds, a timer, has built-in cord wrap, again a stand. Axial fans, very professional air movement technology from XPOWER Manufacturer. Thank you.